In which region does the river Congo rise? The river Congo, the second longest river in Africa, has its headwaters in the highlands of northeastern Zambia between Lakes Tanganyika and Nyasa. It flows through the Congo Basin, forming a massive drainage system in Central Africa. The lowlands of central Sudan are associated with the Nile River Basin, not the Congo. The highlands of northwestern Ethiopia are the source of the Blue Nile. The mountains of eastern Kenya are part of the Great Rift Valley system but do not source the Congo River. Which major river flows through the depicted region? The Nile River is the longest river in the world and serves as the primary water source for Egypt and Sudan. It flows northward through northeastern Africa and drains into the Mediterranean Sea. What is the approximate length of the Yangtze River in kilometers? The Yangtze River, flowing approximately 6,350 kilometers, is the longest river in Asia and the third longest in the world. It is a vital waterway for China, supporting nearly one-third of the country's population and a significant portion of its economy. What is the approximate length of the Zambezi River? The Zambezi River is approximately 2,574 kilometers long, making it the fourth longest river in Africa and the largest flowing into the Indian Ocean from the continent. It is famous for features like Victoria Falls and provides vital hydroelectric power to several southern African nations. In which course of a river are large deposits of sediments typically found? The lower course of a river is characterized by a very gentle gradient and reduced velocity, leading to the deposition of heavy sediment loads. This stage is where landforms like deltas and floodplains are extensively developed due to the river's inability to carry its load further. The upper course is dominated by vertical erosion and high energy, meaning sediments are transported rather than deposited. The originating course is the point of highest energy where the river begins its journey, focusing on initial erosion. The middle course involves a balance of transport and lateral erosion, with some deposition occurring only in specific features like meanders. What is the longest river in Australia? The River Mully is the longest river in Australia, flowing for approximately 2,508 kilometers through the southeastern part of the continent. It forms a vital part of the Murray-Darling Basin, which is the agricultural heartland of the country. What type of communities initially emerged in river valley regions like Egypt, Greece, and India? Early civilizations in river valleys like the Nile, Indus, and Tigris-Euphrates developed as agrarian societies due to fertile silt and reliable water sources. These regions allowed for the transition from nomadic life to settled farming and surplus food production. Nomadic hunter-gatherer communities existed before the rise of river valley civilizations and moved constantly in search of food. Industrial communities emerged much later during the Industrial Revolution, characterized by manufacturing and machine-based production. While trading communities did develop, they were a secondary outcome of the surplus produced by the primary agrarian foundation. Which river's deposition led to the formation of the plain that acts as a water divide? The Punjab-Haryana plains are formed by the alluvial deposits of the Sutlej, Beas, and Ravi rivers. This region acts as a water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river systems. Narmada and Tapi are west-flowing rivers of central India that form estuaries rather than a northern water divide plain. Yamuna and Ganga form the Gangetic plain, which lies to the east of the water divide. The Brahmaputra and Indus flow in opposite directions and do not jointly form a central water divide plain. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.